Welcome to our new feature tutorial, where we'll guide you through the revamped trip page. Same as before, you can access trips directly from either the inbox or today's dashboard for quick navigation. We've organized the trips page into 3 sections, accessible via tabs at the top for easier navigation. On the Trip Details tab, you'll find essential information like trip dates and the location where the car has to be picked up or dropped off. We've prioritized the information based on importance for your convenience. We have reworked the status section that guides you on actions such as accepting bookings or handling modifications, ensuring a smoother trip management experience. You can easily check guest information and view their profile directly from this tab. Lastly, we have added a new Key Details section, which contains details on how guest will access the car, allowed mileage, fuel package status, and your trip earnings, providing a comprehensive overview of each trip quickly and easily. The Messages tab allows seamless communication with guests while managing your trip, bringing chat functionality directly into the trip page for efficiency. Under the Help tab, you'll find resources like contacting our support team, accessing important documents such as rental agreements and certificates of insurance, and viewing trip-specific notifications. We've streamlined the trip cancellation process, now available under the Help tab. You'll find detailed information on potential charges as per policy, ensuring transparency and clarity. Rest assured, the cancellation process remains straightforward, just select the reason and confirm. In summary, we've enhanced the trip page with organized sections, integrated messaging, and easy access to assistance resources for a smoother experience.